Hello, Dad. I remember a lifetime ago. I was about 5, half feet tall, weighing like 60 pounds, but every inch your son. I remember those Saturday mornings when I would go to work with my dad, and we would pile up into that big green truck. I thought the truck was the biggest truck in the universe, Pa. I remember how important the job we did was. How if it weren't for us, people would freeze to death. I thought you were the strongest man in the world, Dad. Remember those home movies? When Mom would dress up as Loretta Young? The ice creams, football games, Wayne, or playing with the tuna. The time I left to California, only to come back with the FBI chasing me. That FBI agent Rod, when he got on his knees to put my boots on, and you said, "That's your job, you son of a bitch, putting George's boots on." That was great, Dad. That was really something. All the time you told me money wasn't real. Well, old man, now I'm 22 years old, and I finally understand what you were trying to tell me so many years ago. I finally understand. I wish I could have done more for you. I wish I had the time. Anyways, may the wind always be on your back and the sun always upon your face, and the winds of destiny to carry you aloft. To dance with the stars. I love you, Dad.